Hello guys, welcome back again to the Learners Hub KE platform. And so we want to wrap up the first topic by tackling some solved problems, or rather just solve some problems so that you can get down the concepts discussed in the previous video. So as it is customary, sit back and enjoy. Welcome. Okay, so let us cut right to the chase. Hizo ni vitu za English zenye mnafaa mjue, mtumie hiyo kwa composition. Very important, very important. So hope that pen is visible, but I think it's not. Okay. So the first problem is writing words. Msiboeke, lazima tuanzie mwanzo. 275,802,347. So for you to write this number in words, you have to know the place value of each and every number. Then once you figure out the place value of the last digit to the left, that is where you start writing it in words. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, then comma, then millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions. So since we have determined that the place value is hundreds of millions, so we start. The number is 275 million. So we are down to there. And then, comma, 802,000. Then 347. So the importance of learning these numbers or learning this concept is so that you can practice writing big checks. Practice ya kuomoka. So that is just a dry joke I had to lay off. Hii lazima tu ningeitoa. So we can do one more example, which is writing this number in words. 6289947,245. The previous video I had promised to shed more light on other terms in the concept of place value. So this is an opportunity to shed more light. So I'm gonna do it again since it's very rare stuff ikuja KCSE, but it's protocol. Acha nianzie tu mwanzo. So this is ones, tens, hadi hapa najua tunajua. Hapa ni hundreds of thousands. Then from the seventh digit tunaingia millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions. Then to the 10th digits, like digit, hapo ni billions, place value. Hii naye mnajua juu Ruto ameiongelelea sana. Ametenga bilioni 2 mara kadhaa. So you have to know how the number actually looks like. Fun fact, it is very hard for normal small minds to process the values in billions. No wonder kuna standard form. Yeah, so in fun fact. So in words itakuwa 6 billion 289,000 900, sorry, 6,289,245. So think up hadi hapo tuko sawa. So I'm going to introduce a concept inaitwa word problems. So here's a very common one. So we have a second question. So all prime numbers less than 10 are arranged in descending order to form a number. So write down the number formed. So in all examinations hamtaipata straightforward questions kama za primary. Sasa nyinyi ni watu wakubwa sasa. So basically solving mathematical problems are just like solving simple puzzles. There are more than one ways of solving a problem. In simple cases, there's only one way to fix a problem. In this case, tuko na only one. So for you to solve this question, lazima ujue what is the first prime number, na lazima ukumbuke that 1 is not a prime number. So if it is here in descending order, first of all, you have to know what are the prime numbers that are less than 10. So naanza, the first one is 2, then you go to 3, then go to 5, then go to 7. 8 and 9 are not prime numbers. So since ni less than 10, tunaanzia from 9 towards 0. Sawa. Pia kuna na kesi whereby unaulizwa even numbers less than or equal to 10. So you have to include 10 since it is indicated in the statements. So in the question. So in this case, these are the prime numbers zenye we are working with. So from there, let me use another pen. So arrange them in descending order. From this side to this side. So itakuwa 7, 5, 3, 2. So that's the answer to the first question. What is the total value of the second digit? So digits to count from right to left. So in the first, second. So total value second digit is 3. So ni ina drop to 0. So answer ni 30. Write the number formed in words. Number formed in words 7, 5, 3, 2. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So in 7,000, 500 and 32. So yeah. So I think that's it for our session. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave comments for any questions you would like help with. And see you in the next episode.